Hey guys, it's Julie here and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, then just to let you know, I make DIY videos and I make videos on how I run my Jtru design business, so please feel free to check those videos out. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to make these 3 different types of waterless snow globes. They are so simple and fun to make, so let's get started. I'm going to be using this small jar and this cute little mini and a little Christmas tree to put on top of the roof, and some sparkly twine and some fake snow. So really you can actually skip this step because I wanted to create a little hill for my car to be placed in the jar because it just looks a little too low down for me, so I'm just going to create that with some clay. Now I'm going to leave this to dry for a day. So in the meantime, I'm going to add this Christmas tree on the roof. Really what I should have done is glue the tree on top of the roof so it stops it from moving about, but instead I wrapped it around with some twine and just double knotted it at the bottom. If you guys enjoy my video so far, then I would really appreciate it if you can hit the like button down below. Just look at how cute this looks. I mean, you can even just leave this by your desk. So this is finally dry, and I know it looks white already, but I would like it to look like really pure white, so I'm just going to paint around it and leave it to dry for half an hour. So the paint is nice and dry. I'm going to add some E6000 glue on top. And now I'm going to leave this to dry for about a couple of hours. And now I add some E6000 at the bottom of the car. And again, I'll leave this to dry for a couple of hours just to make sure it is nice and secure. And finally, just add the snow in. And if you wanted to go the extra mile, you can always add a ribbon on top of the lid. So for the next DIY, I'm using a jar, fake snow and some clay. So I'm going to start off by making my snowman. And I would like to give him a little hat. And now onto the nose. I think I'll give him a carrot nose. So once that's done, I'm going to smooth it out with some water. I'm going to add a cocktail stick just to keep all the balls in place. And just let that all dry for a day. So now I'm going to add some paint to the snowman, hat and the carrot. So I'm going to leave this to dry. By the way guys, I added some E6000 underneath just to make sure the snowman holds together. So next I will be gluing this hat down. So I found these twigs from my garden and I will be using them for his arms. Always make sure when you're working with E6000 that you leave enough time for it to dry properly. So this is the fun part where I decorate the snowman. So I'm going to make a scarf for him with this red ribbon. So I have already glued the snowman to the jar, and finally just add the snow in. So for this DIY I'll be using some rhinestones, a star confetti, some ribbon, tree, a jar and some fake snow. Just going to wrap this round so it looks like a tinsel. I mean, you can be as creative as you want to be and just have fun with it. So this is all dry now and I'm going to glue it down into the jar. So I'll leave this to dry for about 1 hour. Finally just add some snow. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Please let me know in the comments down below which one was your favourite, and don't forget to like and subscribe to see more videos from me in the future. And if you want to see more Christmas DIYs, then just click right here. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.